Put up. To increase the price, rate, or level of something. They put up the rent by 10%. They put up the price of milk. Put up. To build or erect something. They put up a tent for the picnic. He put up a fence around the garden. Put up. To display a notice, sign, or poster. I put up a picture of my family on the wall. He put up a notice about the upcoming event. Put down. To write or record something on paper or in a list. He put down the phone number on a piece of paper. Please put down the address, so I don't forget it. Put down. To stop holding something and place it on a surface. Please put down the books on the table. Put down the cup on the table. Put away. To clean up or store something in its proper place. Please put away your book on the shelf. I put away the dishes after washing them. Put away. To eat or drink a lot. He put away 3 slices of pizza in no time. He put away a whole plate of pasta. Put away. To send someone to prison. The criminal was put away for 10 years. The police put away the thief in jail. Put aside. To save or keep something for future use. I put aside some money for my vacation. Please put aside some cookies for the kids. Put aside. To ignore or forget about something. Let's put aside our differences and work together. Can you put aside your concerns and trust me? Put on. To wear clothes or accessories. Put on your coat before going outside. He put on his favorite shirt for the party. Put on. To apply makeup or cosmetics. She put on some lipstick before leaving the house. Put on. To gain weight. I put on weight if I eat too much dessert. Put off. To delay or postpone something. The meeting has been put off for a week. They put off the party because of the rain. Put out. To extinguish a fire or stop a fire from burning. He put out the fire quickly. Please put out the candles before you leave. Put in. To invest time or effort into something. He put in a lot of effort to finish the project. I put in extra time to study for the test. Put in. To make a formal request or apply for something. She put in an application for the job. He put in a request for a day off. Put together. To assemble or create something. They are putting together a bookshelf in the room. She put together a beautiful bouquet of flowers. Put back. To return something to its original place. After finishing the book, I put it back on the shelf. Can you put back the toys in the box? Put forward. To propose or suggest something for consideration. I put forward a new idea during the meeting. He put forward his name for the committee. Put around. To spread information or gossip. She put around a rumor about the new employee. He put the news around the office.